Hi guys. So it's been a long time. I think close to 7-8 days or probably 10 days that I haven't made a video. Many people are asking me for video. So today I've taken out little time to make a video for Jaipuri kurtis. Very beautiful collections have come, guys. So I'm going to start with M size. That is, if you guys are wearing S size of Avasa, then take this M size. Okay, you guys already know shipping is 100 rupees per kg. You can take up to 3 tops in 1 kg shipping. Okay, so prices all are wholesale prices, guys. If you like my video, if you like my collection, share it with your family and friends so that they can also get these prices and home delivered products. Okay, so we'll start, guys. See, this is cotton material. You have belt like this in the waist. Okay, nice flare, 3/4 sleeves, 3/4 sleeves, and little work on the sleeves also. Here also little work is there. Price is 750. Okay, so if you guys want to book, guys, please take a screenshot and send it to the booking number immediately. Okay, collections are very nice this time. It's been long time that I have made a video, but this time the collections are very different. You can check this, guys. Georgette material, and the sleeves is butterfly sleeves. You can see here it is all heavy work. This comes with lining, 2 layers of lining. Okay, net and this one, 2 layers of lining. And the price for this beautiful kurti is just 750. Butterfly sleeves, 750. Okay, you can see the beautiful colors also. This one again, peach color. You can see this is all nice work here. You have in waist you have got belt like this, and price for this is 675. 3/4 sleeves, 675, rayon material. Okay, please guys, book it immediately, because as soon as I upload a video, many of my customers take in bulk. Okay, so if you guys want to book, please take it immediately. Wow. You can see the flare in this, guys. Very beautiful flare. It's like a very full umbrella model. Okay, rayon material. Here also there is a button pattern, 3/4 sleeves, and the price for this is 750. You can see the flare, 750 only. Okay, this is with the jacket. Okay, cotton material, very nice. You can see umbrella top. Okay, this comes with a jacket, sleeveless inner and the jacket. Very beautiful jacket, full netted work on the jacket. You can see. Okay, collar, Chinese collar. Even the back side of the jacket has got embroidery work. Okay, lightweight cotton. Price is 800. Very lightweight cotton. 800 only. Okay, this beautiful top, you can see, very beautiful, white and light blue color. You can see the flare, guys. This is full work here. This is also very heavy embroidery work. You have strings like this, both the sides. Price is only 700. Very beautiful, 700. Okay, very nice collections have come, guys, but then limited stock. Okay, see this, very nice heavy embroidery work, rayon material. It looks like umbrella, but it is straight cut. Okay, and the price for this is 600. Chinese collar, rayon material. Okay, you can look at this also. Very beautiful colors also this time. Okay, see, this one is all heavy embroidery work. Strings are there both the sides. Little down you have got this gota lace work, gotapati work. Here this is full heavy embroidery work. Price is 650. Cotton material. Okay, I have one set here. You can see cotton material, lightweight cotton. Okay, full work. You can see this is full here, the gotapati work. This is heavy embroidery work. Even sleeves has got like this. This comes with the pant and dupatta, cotton dupatta. Very beautiful cotton dupatta. And the full set price is just 950. 950. Okay. So people asking me for straight cut kurti also. So this is a straight cut kurti, 3/4 sleeves, rayon material. This is all heavy embroidery work. Okay, price is 490. 490. Very beautiful. Okay, this one again. You can see this. Simple umbrella top. Here it is all full heavy embroidery work. Even on the sleeves there is piping. And the price for this one is, just a minute, guys. Price for this one is 550. Okay, very simple. Okay, this one. You can see there is side piping work here, full heavy embroidery work here, 3/4 sleeves. Sleeves also has got work here. Okay, and the price for this one is just 500. Straight cut kurtis, because many people are asking me for straight cut kurtis in umbrella, in Jaipuri. Okay, simple straight cut kurti, heavy embroidery work on the sleeves, 3/4 sleeves, button pattern. Okay, I think only 1 or 2 pieces left. 380 only. This is also straight cut kurti. You can see heavy embroidery work here. Three sleeves also has got work. Price for this one is 500 only. Okay, this is one very nice lightweight rayon material with the belt on the this thing. Price is 500. Sleeves is bell sleeves, 500 only. Okay, this is very beautiful with the dupatta. You can see the umbrella top, guys. Very, very beautiful. Check this umbrella top. Nice flared. This is all gotapatti work. Here you have got very simple embroidery and you have strings both the sides. Okay, 3/4 sleeves. Sleeves has little embroidery work and dupatta is very beautiful. Double color dupatta. Okay, price for this set is 900. Very beautiful. 900 only. Okay, this is one simple straight cut kurti. Price is just 400. Full thread work it is. 400. And this also full chicken curry work. Very soft rayon material. Full work. This is all full work. Okay, 600 only. This umbrella top. Very nice lightweight cotton. This is heavy embroidery work here. You have adjustable strings both the sides. Even on sleeves there is work. 550. This is heavy embroidery work, straight cut kurti. Okay, you can see the sleeves also. Very beautiful work here. And the price for this straight cut kurti is just 350. Okay. This one more. Full heavy thread work here. 3/4 sleeves with button pattern. Most loved. Price is 380 only. Rayon material. Okay, this comes with the jacket, attached jacket. Okay, this jacket is attached to this. Okay, and here there is little work. Okay, attached jacket. Price is 600. Lightweight umbrella top for daily wear. Just 400, guys. Only 400. This is again lightweight cotton material umbrella top with heavy embroidery work. Okay, you can see the flare. Very nice flare. Both side adjustable strings. Price is just 550. This is very nice turkey fabric with full lining inside. You can see this is full lining inside and the fabric is full textured. Here it is heavy embroidery work and full work here, lace work. Okay, 500 only. This is soft cotton. I think only one piece left. Soft cotton and with lining inside. Little work here. Price is 750. 3/4 sleeves. Very nice soft cotton, nice flared. Okay, this is one set. Rayon material. Very beautiful. Here it is all full work. Sleeves has little gotapati work and rayon material plazo. Okay, you can see the price is 675 only. Okay, and this is also very beautiful georgette material. You can see georgette material it is, and this comes with 2 layer of lining inside. Okay, one net and one this one. 2 layer of lining with waist belt. Okay, butterfly sleeves. Price is just 725. Okay, this also rayon material, full heavy embroidery work here and also on the sleeves. Price is just 650. Straight cut kurti with simple embroidery work here. Price is 350 only. Okay, this is very beautiful. You can see rayon material Heavy embroidery work here. Both side adjustable strings. And sleeves and down both you have gotapati work. Okay. Price for this one is 550 only.
Hmm.
Okay, this is one set. Chicken curry set, you can see. This is the top with chain open till here. And this is a bottom that also has got full work here. Okay, price for the set is 650 only. Very beautiful chicken curry work. This is one normal top with little heavy work here. You can see this is nice work here. Even on the sleeves. Color is very nice. Price is just 400. Okay, this is one very, very beautiful top. You can see. This is all very nice embroidery work here. Even on the sleeves, it's embroidery work. And also comes with lining inside. Cotton material, very beautiful. Okay, price is 850. This comes with a kamarband like this. Okay, 850 only. Thank you guys.